So we put the screws in to the plates, put what's it called, toenail screws up there and up here, make the wood all flush, and then we put these Mondo screws just to hold everything together so there's no twisting. We don't want twisting. And we held it up together there and there, so there's no twisting at all. We are ready for the Red Sea Reefer Double XL. What a project. I'm proud of myself that I did it on my own with a little bit of help with my friends. And thanks to AJ's Pets and Things, my dream will come true. We have 6 post jacks. We have a 4x6 beam, 2 of them, and we are doing good.